Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, uh, yeah, in the real element we have seen some data is transferring between one product to another product, and some combinations to another combinations we are transferring.
Okay.
But this is like this is also will be used
Mm-hmm.
a similar, means the activity whatever we are going to use can be done through the real element also, but this will
Okay.
have additional features. Okay, what
Okay.
exactly we can do through the life cycle planning is, like example, you
Okay.
have a product. So some
Okay.
products you have P1, P2, P3, P4. You have these products.
Okay.
Okay, and you are introducing a new product P5.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
this product you are introducing. Okay, so maybe this is the pulsar bikes you have, and a new bike you are introducing which is maybe similar to that one.
Okay.
Okay, so this, since it is a new one, it will not have any sales history. Okay,
Okay.
so if it is not having any sales history, it will not generate any forecast.
Okay.
Okay, so but here in the life cycle planning, what we'll do is, this
Mm-hmm.
product may be having a similarity on the existing ones.
Okay.
Okay, maybe this
Okay.
may be similar to this product, or this product may not be 100%, but some percentage maybe it's similar.
Okay.
What we'll do here is we use this product sales history and
Okay.
we'll generate for this one.
Okay.
Okay, this
Yeah.
is one case. This is one case, like you are using these products and generating a forecast for this one.
Okay.
Okay, so that we'll see
Yeah.
how it can be done. Okay, so this life cycle planning is a T code for here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so mainly here three things you have to define. One is
Mm-hmm.
create a phase in, phase out,
Okay.
and create a life cycle planning, and
Okay.
assigning the life cycle plannings. Okay,
Okay.
these things has to be taken. Okay,
Okay.
so but before starting you need to set up a basic setting. That is a one-time activity, like in the real element we have created table. So here also
Okay.
we need, first before going to that, just go to the select the planning area and go to basic settings. Here go inside.
Mm-hmm.
Here at what level you do a life cycle planning.
Okay.
Okay, product is a mandatory. After
Mm-hmm.
that you can choose any other characteristics which you have. So
Okay.
maybe you can choose a location also, because this mainly these two things we use for the life cycle planning. Or
Okay.
you can go with the ship to party also if you want.
Okay.
Okay, at this level, and this checks has to be checked so that we can use those things.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now
Okay.
execute. Once you execute, it will be done, means the basic settings are ready.
Okay.
Okay, basic settings are ready. So now create a life cycle planning, phase in, phase out, and assignment. What is like profile? Three things.
Okay.
One is like profile. Second one is phase in or out. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So first like profile means, a like profile means this is one profile. Same like this, if you have any other product, that will come as a like profile. So in
Okay.
this one you need to add a product where you are using that product's sales history. So for this one we are using this product. So use P4, use in this like profile. Define P4 in a like profile and assign that to here.
Mm-hmm.
So that it when for generating this product, it will use this P4 product sales history.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so here along with P4 you need to give P5 also.
Okay.
Okay, I will tell you later why you need a P5,
Mm-hmm.
because
Okay.
P5 doesn't have any sales history, still we need to give. Okay,
Okay.
so first we will create a like profile. Go to like profile. So here at what level you want to generate a profile, like profile. At base location, what exactly? Here we are discussing about product. You
Mm-hmm.
can go with the locations, you can go with the ship to parties, because these are the main things we have given.
Okay.
Generally it will be done for the products only, because we use this like profile for the products only.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. And here give like profile underscore test 1. Okay, like profile test 1. Okay, so here first of all select the products. The P4, we do not have any P4 or P3. I'm going to the CVC and we'll select a products. Again for the Hyderabad, I'm selecting a Lux as an existing product. Okay,
Okay.
and Nivea as a new product.
Okay.
This Lux is the existing products. Okay, this is the Nivea. Nivea is the new product. Okay, so I will include that in the like profile. And in Nivea also I'm including, since it doesn't have any sales history, but still I'm including. So here action, whether you want to consider average of these two. Sometimes you may have not only Lux, you may have to go with another product also. Together you can use for this Nivea. But here just action. What action means here, whether you can go with the sum of this sales history or average of those sales history.
Okay.
Okay, currently take sum means together, including together these sales history together of these products will take into consideration. Okay, and here the weightage, how much percentage you want to take from this Lux. Sometimes you can go with 80%, sometimes you can go with 100% also. Okay, the similarity, because this is a new product,
Okay.
doesn't have any sales history, so you are using the existing one. Maybe it is not full percentage, you cannot take sometimes.
Okay.
So you can take 50% or 40% or 80%. In number of many things, but here just I'm going with 100%, and this one also 100%, and save. Here the save button, save it, then it will come to the right hand side. So once you execute, it will go. Okay, just go back.
Okay.
Okay, like profile is ready. In that one we have defined two products. Okay, now face in, face out. So this is a little confusion it will give, but just follow as it is. Just follow.
Okay.
Once we complete entire flow, we'll come to these points again. Okay, so face in, face out. Face in means this is the product face in. Face out means which is going to be expire. This product maybe if we are not using in the future, we can consider that as a phasing out.
Okay. Okay.
But here this is a new product which is going to be introduced in our company, means which is a phasing.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that I will give as a phasing. Phase in. Okay, and description also. Okay, see a description. So here the date I will give 01/01/2014. 31/01/2014. If you observe, that is in the past dates. But just keep it is like that, and the period is monthly bucket. I'm using a monthly bucket. Okay, just ignore this one. Okay, I'll tell about this later. The use, because why I'm given a basic reason for giving a past date is to available this phase in for all the products in the future also.
Okay.
Okay, that is the only reason that we'll see again.
Okay.
And this one, phase in means which is going to be come into the picture, means which is going to be introduced.
Okay.
Okay, so that is before start date, before a start date, after end date. There are two things are there. Means like example, we are in November, then December, Jan, Feb, March. Like example, I am going to introduce this on Jan onwards.
Okay.
Okay, before that I am not introducing this product. So before this date, 0.
Okay.
Before this date, it is 0, it should generate. So here before start date it should generate 0. After end date, after this date, whatever the date I have given, it should generate 100%. Give 100%. Okay, that is what
Okay.
here mentioning meaning. Okay, save. That is a facing. Let it be there and execute. Now I am assigning the products. Go to assignment and execute. So for product, which product we are introducing? Nivea. Okay, and Nivea product, and the location for Hyderabad. Let's example we are using for Hyderabad. Ship to party, we want to use all the ship to party, so I'll just give a star.
Okay.
Here only we are telling that it should use a like profile.
Okay.
So what like profile we have? This one, like profile test 1. Okay, and the facing. This is a facing product which is going to be introduced. Okay, so you need to assign a facing profile and the date from when onwards we are going to introduce, that is Jan. Okay, so just give 01/01/2015, 31/01/2015. Okay, I'll come to all the points again because it will give some confusion in the initially. Just follow. Now I have assigned, so I will just go blindly create a forecast profile. I'll select two products, Nivea and first I'll select Nivea. So I'll delete the sales history. Okay, and I'll delete the historical sales also because we are expecting this is a new product.
Okay.
So in this new product it will not have any historical sales. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm deleting all the historical sales. Means it is a fresh new product. Okay. So to better understanding, I'll remove all these things also. Okay. Now I remove. So this Nivea is a new product which doesn't have any sales history and it will not generate any forecast. It will not generate any statistical forecast. But since using a life cycle planning, it should generate.
Okay.
What it should pick the Lux sales history.
Okay.
Okay, I'll delete this one also. Lux sales history. You have a sales history in Lux. Okay, this will use this one. Okay, that is what I'm expecting here.
Okay.
Okay, so I will go with only those selection ID only. Location, Hyderabad, HYD, and the products. And product you have Nivea. Nivea. Okay, I'm loading. Now it will not pick. I'll tell you the reason. Still, it will not generate any forecast for the new product. I'll tell you the reason, because since after giving after selling this life cycle planning also, it will not create any forecast for the new product.
Okay.
If I see it has generated, I'll tell you the reason why it has not generated. So if I go to the product Nivea. It has still wrong forecast it has generated. That is just because only to disaggregate it. It is clubbing together and generating and disaggregating.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. But it is not actually a life cycle planning, because if it is life planning, it should generate on a Jan onwards.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
The reason is for using life cycle planning, you need to activate life cycle planning in the forecast profile.
Okay.
So that has to be there, then only it will be used. Maintain forecast profile. If you see, we have this. I'll choose the first one. Yeah, so this one has to be active. This check has to be done.
Mm.
Then only it will pick the life cycle settings. So I'll save this and go back. Maybe I have to completely go back here. Load again. I'm deleting this forecast. Now I'll generate again. If I choose to go into the two different products, see here, it has generated forecast from Jan onwards for the second product.
Okay.
Okay, that is what we are expecting. It should generate.
Mm-hmm.
Initially it was generated from the beginning. It is not because of life cycle planning or something. It has
Yeah.
what happened, it has generated full together and has disaggregated into two products, and then equally it has gone.
Okay.
But when you actually, it was generated forecast for the second product
Mm-hmm.
on this Jan onwards.
Okay.
But now, like example, this Lux is replacing with the Nivea.
Okay.
Like example, the company want to stop Lux, and in place of that one, they are introducing a Nivea.
Okay.
Okay, when they are introducing on Jan onwards. So
Mm-hmm.
Jan onwards, if they want to stop this one,
Mm-hmm.
okay, then how that also can be done through the life cycle planning. So that
Okay.
will come through the phase out. This is a phase in we have seen. Now that will come the phase out.
Okay.
Okay, so you need to create a phase out profile.
Okay.
You go to the life cycle planning here. Now go with the phase out. So here phase out, give the description of phase out. Started just give the same, because the dates here we are not considering much, because we are inside of once when we are assigning, that time we are giving the dates. That's why
Mm-hmm.
it will pick from there only. It is not it's just for the sake of giving, we are giving here. So before start date, apply constant factor before start date.
Okay.
So here if you see, this is a Nivea new product. So this one till here only it has to generate for the Lux.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, till here only it has generated. From Jan onwards it has to generate on the Nivea product.
Okay.
Okay, so this will assign a date in the assignment. So before the date it should be generate 100%. After the
Okay.
date only it should generate 0%.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why if you go to here, before start date it should generate 100% actually.
Mm-hmm.
It is reversed to the old one,
Okay.
previous one.
Mm-hmm.
Now here 0% after end date.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. That is a phase out. Yeah. That is a phase out. Now we need to assign this phase out to the again in the life cycle planning. Here now we use Lux because we want to phase out Lux product.
Okay.
And Hyderabad. Hyderabad is the location. Ship to parties again star. So here no need to select the live profile. We are phasing out. It is going out of the company, means it is stopping the business.
Okay.
So no
Okay.
need to select any live profile. Only select a phase out. Here this is the phase out.
Okay. Okay.
So here select the phase out and tell the system from when onwards you want to stop.
Mm-hmm.
I think December onwards you want to stop. 01/12/2014, 31/12/2014.
Okay. By during this duration, it will not generate forecast or.
I think it will generate during this focus because we are telling after that only it should generate a 0%. Let's see. I'm just
Okay.
confused. Let's see how it happens. So now we have assigned fine. So if I go
Mm-hmm.
back, say this as direction. Maybe. I delete the existing values, will regenerate. Now generate. I think we are correctly given, that's why we have all the equal values. Yeah, if I select now, see here, first 2 months it has generated on the Lux and then onwards it has generated on the Nivea.
Okay. You're given up to December 2014 for Lux.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So because this when this will be used like a Lux under Lux only you are introducing a new Lux, something Lux Plus or something,
Okay.
and you want to remove the Lux existing Lux.
Okay.
Then in that case you need like this because every new product it will be a new product code.
Okay. Okay.
So you will phase out the old one and you will introduce a new one.
Okay.
But the sales history will be same.
Okay. Okay.
So here, if you observe in the facing profile, we have assigned two profiles, two products.
Okay.
Even though there is no sales history on the Nivea, still we included because that is
Mm-hmm.
the why we have introduced this, because this time is not required for the Nivea sales history. We do not require this at this point of time. But if you are in March month,
Mm-hmm.
okay, if you are in March month, by this introduction of this Nivea would have been completed 2 months,
Okay.
okay, and there will be some sales.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So that time this sales will not be there for the Lux.
Okay.
So for if you are generating for the third month onwards, it will go back. How many months it will check? 6 months it will check. So
Okay.
if you don't mention Nivea, then it will
Mm-hmm.
check only these products sales history.
Oh.
it will find blank here. That's why we will include both in general, so that in the going forward also it will be used. So it is assignment of one time only. After that, every month it will automatically use this life cycle planning.
Okay.
Okay, re-element also you can do. You can generate a forecast on this product, Lux product, and after that you can transfer to here through the copy re-element and manually delete this one. But that is a manual activity. You have to go and manually, and every month you have to do the same thing. And come
Okay.
here and delete the Lux products forecast manually. That you
Okay.
have to do. So to avoid that one and to have a better forecasting, no need to think about every month. Once you assign, then it will be there for every month. You can use that.
Okay.
You got it? This one?
This one I got. So you just now informed regarding that March month. From there, I have not understand.
Which one?
No.
Which one?
Yeah. What we have discussed means, okay. Once if it is a phase out up to December, we'll be taking. Then we'll be taking from the continuous years. No.
I didn't get your question.
No, the phase out will be taking up to December 2014 because the phase in will be starting from the next month.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the new product we'll be taking the another product sales, old product sales history.
I didn't get exactly your question, Rajendra. Once again,
No,
please.
what I'm thinking means for the new product we'll be taking the old product sales history.
Right.
Based upon that we'll be doing the forecasting.
Right.
But for every time we'll be doing the same thing. Only for the first time we'll be doing this one activity.
You will assign the master data setting, like this setting you need to assign one time.
Okay.
But every month it will generate like this one. It will use because we are generating for this month onwards. Next month it will generate here onwards. So for that one it will generate for the first month only. Second month onwards it will generate for this. And when you are generating for the Jan month, when you are generating for this month onwards, what will happen? It will not generate any forecast for the Lux. It will generate
Okay.
only for the Nivea. So, but this will be used till some months. After that, you will find only the sales history and the Nivea product only.
Okay.
For that time, you can remove the life cycle planning, or you can keep like that as it is. But generally, it's better to remove once that use is done.
Okay. In this type of scenario, we'll be taking only, we'll be considering only for the 6 months. After that, we'll be deleting the old year. Okay.
Right, but depends on how many month sales history you are using. If you are using only 6 months, then only this will be required only for the 6 months.
Okay.
Once this Nivea products gets a 6 month sales history.
Okay.
Okay, if you are using 1 year, then that time you need quite more time to be there in the system.
Okay.
Okay, this will be used to introduce the new products or using this, because that will not have any sales history.
Okay.
That time it will be used.
Okay.
Okay, so if I will give one more example here.
Yeah.
We'll take another, for this bank we will take same Lux, and then maybe here this head and shoulder or Pepsodent. Yeah, close up and Pepsodent we have. So actually if we have a same products, then it will be easy to have, but for just here understand head and shoulder, I'm replacing with Sunsilk.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
first we'll do here first we'll create a like profile. Okay, at what level? Product level. Product level and like profile 2. Profile 2. So here what HS is the old product, Sun and 100%. New product is the Sunsilk. Again yes and 100%. Say this one, and phase in, phase out. Now the scenario here is here you have a head and shoulders and sunsilk. Here I will change a little bit logic, simple logic I will change. Here instead of directly stopping from Jan onwards, I will slowly stop. Here 100%. Business is slowly going down here. This one 80%, then 50, then 20, and then completely stopping.
Okay.
And this one is slowly introducing. Here I will introduce 20% because initially you may not have a full sales. If you are replacing, this is not a, don't think about head and shoulders sunsilk, but in the sunsilk itself you may have a new products. Okay, that time it will be more useful. Old sunsilk you will remove and the new sunsilk will introduce. Okay. That time just slowly you are introducing. First 20%, then 50%, then 80%, then completely 100%. Okay. So this, for these combinations you need a separate phase in, phase out.
Okay.
Okay. A phase in, second one. So here you need to mention the dates actually. The previously the dates are not useful. We just given a past dates. But this time here we need the dates. Here exactly you are choosing what dates from December to February. Okay, you need to give that one 01/12/2014 till Jan February. Okay, 28/02/2014. Sorry, 15 on a monthly basis.
Okay.
So then here you got a 3 months period.
Okay.
Okay. Before start date for the phasing. Before start date it should go 0%. After end date it should go 100%. Okay. Before start date means before this introducing it should go 0%. It should not generate any forecast. So that's why 0%. After end date, after these dates it should go 100%.
Okay.
So it will generate 100. But within these dates how much? For the phasing, this is the phasing. So
Okay.
First initially it will be 20%, then 50%, then 80%. Right?
Yeah.
And save this one. Okay. Now again for the phase out. Phase out 2 and phase out 2. So this is also same period. Phasing out on a monthly basis. Here it should come, but okay. So this for this one before this start date it should generate 100% reverse.
Yeah.
And after that end date it should be 0%.
Yeah.
So if I save, I think it will come. Just recome. Now we got. So here for the first initial 12th month should be 80%.
Yeah.
50, then 20.
Yeah.
Okay. Save. Done. Now I will assign that into the here. What is HS is the going out product. Okay. For the location Bangalore. Okay. And for the shifty part is all. So here the face like profile is second like.
Yeah.
This one. And facing also the second face. Okay, where we have a different logic. So when onwards it is doing face in
from November onwards. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just November no.
Yeah, from November onwards.
After end date only. After end date we have to give, I think, from March onwards. 01, 03, 2015. First 03, 2015. I'm just confused here. Little. Oh no, here I think we have to give again same period. I think yeah. 01 December 2014. is a face in product. Face in Sunsilk, right? We are thinking about Sunsilk. Face out is Head and Shoulders. Same Bangalore. There is no like profile required for the face out. Go to the face out. Face here again 01 12 14 28 02 2015. Now I'll save the data.
Means the dates must be same for the both of them. Or?
Yeah, it's facing out and facing. Yeah, the percentage will given on the same dates, right? That's right. Because let's
Okay.
first generate. Then I'll come. I'll come again. Products for
Head and Shoulder, Sunsilk. Sunsilk.
loading. First I will load for the Sunsilk, which is a new one, where I'm expecting no sales history. So I'll delete all this sales history. Then load together with the existing forecast. Now generate a forecast now. Oh, little bit difference is there. Let's see. I think some difference is there.
You must delete everything. No?
Yes, we deleted. I don't think so it is correct, but let's see. Yeah, I think the sales history is a little bit confusing. Yeah, we have a correct sales history. But here if you observe that it is okay, because if it is generating different values on each value, then it is okay. But if this thing, then problem here. But if you observe overall, 80%, 4% is gone here, little less here. It is almost equal, then less here and little here. But I will what I'm expecting is if it is all are same, it should be all are same. Yeah, now we think it's fine. I'll check again. I'll delete. easily, but only thing is maybe I expected this all should be same, but generally it will generate same only. That's what I'm just thinking, but it's almost fine. Maybe the data is not correct in the past or something. But if you observe on the products, each products, you can do for the another example. Then you have control again. Like you
Okay.
see, full percentage is gone to here and little less here. Almost 80% is gone to here because of that percentage. And this here
Yeah.
we got equal, and this here, this and this one is having a less, and this one here. And after that, it has generated full percentage on the this sunset. Okay, because here
Yeah.
we are introducing on this 12th onwards, so that this is also is possible through the life cycle planning.
Okay.
Because both cases will be there, where some cases is slowly business will grow, and some cases completely they will stop and introduce a new product.
Okay.
Okay, you got it right?
Yeah, I think the result is also right, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Because the head and shoulder starting it is 1097, then slowly it is gone decreasing,
Yeah,
and vice versa for the sunsilk.
right. Okay. So just check the same examples, and if you have any doubts, we can discuss again. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Okay. So tomorrow I think we can start with S&P.
Okay.
Okay. I'll introduce an introduction. I will give the S&P.
Okay. Means all the topics are
Some
over for the
parts are
DB, Kishore?
DP release topic is there. In the activity, we have a release topic of releasing to the RTO
Release,
system and releasing to the S&P system.
Okay, okay.
And process chain is there. Process chain
Yeah.
that can be used in demand planning plus S&P. Both
Okay.
together it will be used. So
Okay.
once we cover S&P, we can both together we can use. Yeah, we can discuss on the process chains.
Okay.
Be easy for you and us.
Okay. And one thing, Kishore, can you please check my CVCs for my planning area?
Okay.
Because
We can go now.
yeah.
What is the planning area? The planning of the structure?
Van underscore MPOS.
VAN underscore MPOS.
Yeah. Oh my god.
That is a maybe this one.
Yeah, sorry. US.
So your brand Nano.
Nano.
Okay. Version is not required for choosing in the characteristics.
Okay.
So here you have two versions, that is not at all required.
Okay.
These two. Okay, Hyderabad. You have a Hyderabad. Why you have chosen a starting location and destination location?
Generally
There will
will
not
be.
be any starting location and destination location in the demand planning.
Okay.
So only one location will be there. So either use this one only. This is not a characteristics which is required in the demand.
Okay.
This one and versions also not required. So all we can say S&P key figures.
Okay.
Characteristics not this one required, and this one is not required. Material, you have a material and APO product. What is the difference between these two? Okay, material code you can say. Okay, code and material description like that.
Description that is actually.
Okay, but generally in real time description will come automatically.
Okay.
No need to select for a characteristic separately.
Okay.
Okay.
Are there any other things to be added for this one or?
Yeah, you can add like a sales organization, division, region, and sales organizations.
Region
Anything
other.
which ship to parties, sold to parties.
But can we add now, sir, Kishore? Or is already created?
This one actually for the characteristics you cannot add.
Okay.
Only thing is you have to break all the connections and you have to create.
Okay.
But you can add a key figure, but you cannot add a character to the MPOS.
Okay. Again, we must
So
delete
it will
the
not
planning
select.
area and we must do the new one.
Yeah, delete connection, delete. Initialize those things, connectivity, delete that one, and connectivity between MPOS and planning area.
Okay,
Delete
but I can go with this planning area for the practice session for the phase in and phase out, no?
you can use.
Okay,
You can use.
okay, yeah. And Kishore, in the planning book, there are some other options, no? Diagnosis groups and the mm,
Where
in the
exactly?
planning book under
This
the
is the planning book, right?
yeah, in the planning book. Once we go for the in the under the forecasting on the forecasting technique,
Here.
univariate, yeah. Okay, in that
This
starting,
one.
yeah, diagnosis group, and after that also there is one thing. No, this
This
side.
is this
Yeah,
side, okay.
uh,
Even I'm not sure of this one. Diagnosis group is what exactly?
and outlets.
Uh-huh. This actually will be considered like here. If you go to the forecasting profiles,
Mm-hmm.
so here we have this one, right? So you can select this to
Okay.
come down. This is like a
Mm-hmm.
corrections we can say.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Select all of the corrections. Some using instead
Okay.
of use moving average, use something else, smoothing factor or something.
Okay.
Second or something like this. Then if you generate a forecast, so that time what will happen, it will give some kind of errors here.
No,
Exactly sure
under
that one.
if you select the errors one, it will be coming.
Yeah, it will say it will come when you select on. It will give. It is I'm not exactly sure, but what I heard is for each forecasting model, this error factor will be used to calculate how much accurate the forecast we got.
Okay.
So the first we'll load the data, right? So here this group. I'm not exactly sure, but you can limit something, I guess, here. It should not cross this much like that. Something group you can give. Uh,
Um,
uh,
no, but Kishore, when we run this errors under the message section, it will be showing this much must be the range for this particular.
it will give in some forecast errors or somewhere
Yeah,
here it will give the error factor.
yeah.
Okay, maybe this profile is not using that one, but some profiles will use these error factors. It will give here. So
Okay.
overall, what we can understand here is with that forecasting profile,
Mhm.
uh, whatever the error factor comes less,
Okay.
okay, that is considered as a accurate forecasting model.
Okay.
Okay, it is if we go with the very detailed way of doing planning in this one, very that time may be considered, but it is a user activity. We don't check
Okay.
much on as a consultant.
But whatever the historical values are there, that will based upon that only the forecast will be generated.
Ah,
But the what we
yes.
can do with these errors, Kishore? Maybe the errors will
Uh,
become.
no, this will be used at the time of selecting the forecasting model. Which forecasting model you want to select?
Yeah, at the time only it will be displaying.
Okay, you can recheck this one. You can recheck with this one. Like example, by like example for the entire combinations, if you are choosing to go with the uniway moving average or a weighted moving average or a constant or a automatic model, then we cannot do anything with these errors. But if the users, if they go with manually, if they want to change and they want to go with a separate forecasting model, other than what we have given in the global run for all combinations. So that time they can choose these factors, and they can, based on this one, they can choose which one is suiting for their products.
Okay.
So the more accurate model is, the less they get an error factor here. Means the points will come 1.2 something, 2.3 like that. Whichever comes very less, that will be considered as a more accurate forecasting model.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, and this, I think, group diagnosis group, you can set up, you can set up a limit, I think. Okay, once you set up a limit, I think you can give the same thing here also in the forecasting model. So once you set up a limit, then once that crosses a limit, it will give here the diagnosis.
Yeah.
You can set up a limit for every, like example here, I want to cross this one. It will give a error message in the job log once it is crossing this one. Okay, it is generating a high focused kind of message. It should be 70%, something like that.
Okay, is it the range we will be giving here in the diagnosis group for this particular?
Range not. No, range not. Here, from this error factor, they will choose either one of them. I'm also not sure exactly what is this one. This is, each one will have a different algorithms. So if we are choosing MAPE, in the diagnosis you can give, for that MAPE 70% you consider.
Okay.
Only. Then what will happen when you generate a forecasting in the background job? Whichever the forecasting, whichever the combinations forecast cross the 70% will throw an error.
Okay.
It will give an error messages.
Okay.
Then you can find those error messages and regenerate again.
Okay.
So that is mainly, it is like a deeply analysis of doing a forecasting.
Okay.
That is users generally do, but it is not a like we can say, what we can say is nobody can go with exactly to come with the exact 100% accurate forecast whatever they do.
Okay.
Too much, but it is to improve the factors only.
Okay.
Come into the nearest values, nearest sales values.
Okay.
Okay, it's good to know about these things, but just explore in the Google search. If you get any information, you can have knowledge on that.
Okay. Okay. Kish.
Yeah, see you tomorrow,
Yeah.
same time.
Yeah. I'll be sending a message through WhatsApp. Is there anything?
Okay, sure.
Oh, yeah.
Right, bye-bye.
Bye.